sunshine, everyone's smiling and having a fun time.
Trips to the park being pushed on a swing. These are the things that we do in the spring. Instead we must stay with nothing to tear us, locked up together because of this virus.
Sport has been taken away from his life.
I'm actually having to talk to my wife.
His man cave has turned into some sort of classroom.
I'm spending 14 hours a day in the bathroom.
We're skint, bored and restless and always annoyed.
It's this way till June cause my dad's self-employed. I should be learning about ancient Egyptians.
The afternoon drinking's become an addiction.
Structure and learning are things that we've missed. How can this man teach me master his
Please! But the wine's gone.
Drink the brandy.
Hiding in the loft.
I'm constantly hungry. I might eat the dog.
I wouldn't do that. He's gone.
Now I'm in the cupboard under the stairs. Kids treat the house like an upmarket hostel.
My hands are as dry as an elephant's nostril.
I'm having 3 breakfasts and biscuits to bridge.
I'm socially distancing me from the fridge.
Stockpiling pasta and rationing undress.
Tweaking your hamstrings in lycra and spandex.
PE each morning she fancies Joe Wicks. That floppy head monkey gets right on my head. It's not all bad, there are heroes from this sorry mess. So clap on your doorsteps or just raise a glass for staff of the NHS. Voila! Boom!